Earlier, you watched how easily your WooCommerce data can be synced using our WooSheet SmartSync plugin that requires you to create Google OAuth credentials. Keep watching to learn how easy it is to get from Google. OAuth is simply Google's way of saying, "This store may read and write this spreadsheet," and nothing else. You do not need to be a developer. Pause the video after each step if you need to. Let's begin. Before we start, have three things ready. 1. You are logged into WordPress as a shop manager or admin. 2. WooCommerce is active and WooSheet SmartSync is installed. 3. A Google account, the same Gmail you will use to open the spreadsheet. Step 1. Copy the redirect URI. Open WooCommerce, then WooSheet SmartSync. Next to Google OAuth credentials, click the small question mark icon. This help box is your map. See this line? Authorized redirect URI, click Copy. This URL is unique to your website. Google must receive it exactly. No extra slash, no missing WPPFU _ WGS _ OAuth equals 1. Keep it on your clipboard. We will paste it in a few minutes. Copy this exact URL. Do not edit it. Step 2. Open Google Cloud. In a new tab, go to console.cloud.google.com. Sign in with the Google account that will own this connection. Step 3. Create a project. At the top, click the project name, then click New Project. Name it something you will remember. I will use WooSheet SmartSync. Click Create. When Google finishes, select that project from the picker so the name at the top is the one you just made. If you skip this, the keys you create will belong to the wrong project, and the plugin will not connect. Step 4. Enable Google Sheets API. In the left menu, open APIs and Services, then Library. Search for Google Sheets API. Open it, click Enable. Wait a few seconds if Google says it is still activating. Optional but recommended. Also enable Google Drive API. WooSheet SmartSync uses a small drive permission so it can work with the file you open, not your entire drive. Step 5. OAuth consent screen. Now we tell Google who is allowed to click Allow. Go to APIs and Services and OAuth consent screen. On newer Google screens, this may be called Google Auth Platform to Audience. User type, choose External. Click Create. App name, type WooSheet SmartSync. User support email, pick your Gmail. Developer contact, the same email is fine. Save. Next, scopes or permissions. Add these two only. The first lets the plugin read and write the spreadsheet. The second lets it use only the files this app works with, not your whole Google Drive. Step 6. Create the web client. Go to Clients or Credentials, then Create Client. Application type, Web Application. Name, WooSheet SmartSync Web. Scroll to Authorized Redirect URIs, click Add URI. Paste the URL you copied from the plugin, check it once, then click Create. Google now shows a client ID and a client secret. Client ID looks like a long string ending in. Client secret is the private password for this connection. Copy both. Treat the secret like a store password. Do not post it in a public video or ticket. If connect later fails with a redirect error, 9 times out of 10, the URI here does not match the plugin. Come back and compare them character by character. Step 7. Create the Google Sheet. Open Google Drive. Create a blank spreadsheet. Name it WooSheet SmartSync. Look at the browser address. You can paste the full URL into the plugin, or only the long ID between /d/ and /edit. Share this sheet with the same Google account you will use when you click Connect. Editor access. WooSheet SmartSync will create the tabs for you. Products, variations, and customers. You do not need to build those by hand. Step 8. Save and connect. Return to WordPress. Paste client ID, paste client secret, paste sheet ID, or the full sheet URL. Click Save Settings first. The plugin cannot connect if you skip Save. Now click Connect to Google. Sign in, review the two permissions, click Allow. You should land back on WooSheet SmartSync. The badge at the top should say Connected. Click Verify Sheet Access if you want extra confirmation, then click Sync Products to Sheet. Your catalog appears in Google Sheets. That is the full lesson. You created a Google Cloud project, enabled the Sheets API, set the consent screen, made a web client, and connected WooSheet SmartSync. If this helped, save the video. Pause it the next time you set up a new store. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next lesson.